Hello, and welcome to Multidata. My name is Stephen, and in this video I will give you a brief overview of our MDPremium.net HRM module. The HRM module enables you to manage your entire staff, and much more. Plan and manage salaries, bonus payments, incentives, and even payments to external workers. Keep track of your employees' training records, certificates, and language skills, and allocate training expenses to individual staff members. Carry out employee assessments based on user-defined key performance indices, and use individual KPIs depending on an employee's function. A built-in diagram gives you an overview of the salary development within your company. Plan training courses and events for your employees and customers, and manage your participants. If required, you can indicate all related expenses and have them calculated per participant and over a specified depreciation period. Post and manage staff requests. Collect applicant data or applications, and carry out assessments for potential new staff members. The built-in HRM dashboard helps you keep track of staff costs, qualifications, and the number of employees in your company. If required, all charts of the dashboard can be customized according to your needs. The time and attendance functionality is another essential part of the HRM module. It allows your staff to clock in and out, to apply for leaves, and, what's more, it allows you to manage any absences easily. To find out more about the HRM module or other modules of MDPremium.net, just take a look at www.multidata.at.